Welcome, dear learners. How are you? I think you are fine by the grace of Almighty. I am Shubhashish Dash, back again with another class. And today our subject is English first paper for the student of 11 and 12. Before going to the text, I want to show you some picture. Picture number 1. In this picture, we see some children and women in front of a temporary shelter. And in picture number 2, there is a fence, wire fence, which is usually given in the border of two countries, and we also see some people trying to cross the border illegally. And picture number 3, we see a signboard of a government owned bank named the Sonali Bank, and the branch is in the UK, which proves Bangladeshi people live in the UK. And picture number 4, in this picture, this is a picture of a person holding a festoon written "I miss my motherland," which means he is living outside his country. All these 4 pictures indicate that some people have to leave their motherland for different reasons and settled in other countries. So our today's text is related to the persons living outside their own countries. So I think now you have understood what might be the text, and our today's topic is diaspora, and it is from the text English for today. Reading task. You have to read the text to answer the following question. What is diaspora? Number 1. Number 2, name some renowned diasporas of the world. Number 3, what was the reason of Jewish diaspora? Number 4, why does Palestinian diaspora draw the attention of the world leaders? And number 5, what is the main reason of the diaspora in the recent times? Okay, let's go to the next slide. Word meaning. Before going through the text, let us know some word meaning. Diaspora: the dispersion or spread of any people from their original homeland. That means some people who leave their motherland for many reasons and settled in other countries. Noteworthy, remarkable, concern, worry or to be anxious, plight, troubles, massive, huge, ravage, devastation, settle, inhabit, community, group of people, phenomenon, occurrence, and decade means 10 years. These are the important words of the text. Now read the text to answer the questions we read. Okay, now the text. The term diaspora is used to refer to people who have left their homelands and settled in other parts of the world, either because they were forced to do so or because they wanted to live on their own. The word is increasingly used for such people as a collective group and or a community. The world has seen many diaspora, but scholars have been studying the phenomenon with great interest only in recent decades. So from this text, we have come to know that diaspora is a word which is used to indicate a group of people who have left their homelands. They they have to leave their homelands for different reasons. Sometimes they are forced to leave, and sometimes they leave their motherland willingly, and they settled in other countries. And when this group of people leave their own country and settled in other countries, they are called diaspora. Diaspora cannot be happened with one person of a community. It indicates a group of people of a community, and though this diaspora has been going on for many years, but the scholars have been studying this occurrence in the recent decades with keen interest. Let's go to the next text. Among the great diasporas of history is that of the Jewish people who were forced to leave their land in ancient times. The movement of Aryans from Central Europe to the Indian subcontinent thousands of years ago is also a note of the diaspora. Although the causes of this diaspora are unclear. In 20th century history, the Palestinian diaspora has attracted a lot of attention and been a cause of concern for world leaders because of the plight of Palestinians. There have been massive diaspora in Africa too over the centuries, either because of war or because of the ravages of nature. But the chief reason why the phenomenon of diaspora is attracting so much attention now is globalization. Here we get some renowned diaspora of the history, and first of all they tell us about the Jewish diasporas. The Jewish people were forced to leave their lands in ancient times. So this is the ancient diasporas. And then the movement of Aryans from the Central Europe, so Aryan diaspora. They moved from Central Europe to the Indian subcontinent thousands of years ago. But the reason of this Aryan diaspora is unclear. It is not found in the history why the Aryans moved to the moved to the Indian subcontinent. It is unclear. And in the 20th century, we see the Palestinian diaspora, and this diaspora draws the attention of the world leaders because of the terrible condition of the Palestinian, especially Palestinian children and women. This incident has become a matter of concern for the world leaders, and we see massive diasporas in Africa years after years because of war and ravages of nature. We see civil war and war between two countries in Africa, and because of the drought or rain or other ravages of natures, we notice massive diasporas in Africa. But nowadays the chief reason of diaspora is globalization. People are attracted to leave their own countries and to settle in the other countries, in the countries of the developed world, to have a better living, better life. They move to these countries. So this globalization is the main reason of the diaspora in the current days. Okay, we have gone through the text. I think you have understood the text well. Now let us answer. Okay, now answering question. First question is, what is diaspora? Second one, name some renowned diaspora of the world. Third one, what was the reason of Jewish diaspora? Answers. First one, diaspora means a group of people who have left their own country to live in another country. Name some renowned diaspora of the world. Some renowned diaspora of the world are Jewish diaspora, Aryan diaspora, Palestinian diaspora, diaspora in African countries. What was the reason of Jewish diaspora? The reason of Jewish diaspora was force. In the ancient time, the Jews are forced to leave their own land. Why does Palestinian diaspora draw the attention of the world leaders? Answer: the Palestinian diaspora draws the attention of the world leaders because of the pitiable condition of the Palestinian children and women, especially Palestinian people. What is the main reason of diaspora in the recent time? In the recent time, the main reason of diaspora is globalization. Because of globalization, people around the world leave their homeland and settle in other countries. So these are the answers of these 5 questions. Dear learners, I think you have noticed that I haven't written any sentence directly from the text. The information are from the text, but the sentences are a bit changed. So you have to do the same thing. You have to take the information from the text, but you cannot write the sentences as it is written in the text. Next, fill in the blanks. This is a fill in the blanks, and this fill in the blanks will not be given from the text which is given in the question paper. This can be from the text but not from the question paper. You have to try this and then match the answer. Now I am going to the answer section. In 20th century history, the Palestinian diaspora has attracted a lot of attention and been a cause of concern for the world leaders because of the plight of Palestinians. There have been massive diasporas in Africa too over the centuries, either because of war or because of the ravages of nature. But the chief reason why the phenomenon of diaspora is attracting so much attention now is globalization. Nowadays, some researchers opine that unstable political condition in many countries is also a vital cause of diaspora. These are the answers, but you should not write the question with the answer. You have to answer in this way. History, diaspora, attention, plight, Africa, war, attracting, globalization, opine, and condition. You have to write the answers in this way. Okay, now summary of the text. Though diaspora is a very known issue nowadays, it has been seen in the history from the ancient time. People have to leave their motherland for many reasons. Sometimes they are forced to leave, and in some cases they chose to leave their homeland and go to the developed country for better living. What might be the reason? They never forget their motherland and own culture. They practice it in the country where they are settled. In the recent time, globalization is considered the main reason of diaspora throughout the world. So this is the summary. In writing summary, the students must remember that they cannot write the sentences directly from the text. They have to write the main idea, and the summary should be 1/3 of the given text, and it should not be so large. It should be around 60 to 70 words, and it can be 4 to 5 or 6 sentences. Okay, now I am giving you a homework. write a paragraph on diaspora. Write this and learn this. No more today, dear learners. Thank you for attending the class. Goodbye and take care.